Hello, in this programming tutorial we are going to look at the message widget. So the message widget, it's basically like the label widget, but the only difference is it allows multi-line text. That's it, nothing more to it than that. So I'm going to do string, so this will be the actual string that's displayed, string var. So if you've done the label tutorial, which I recommend doing, you'll be very similar to that. So I'm going to call this msg equals message window text variable equals string, like so. And now we just need to do string.set. So we're going to set the string to be something. I'm going to say the most epic piece of string ever. And msg.pack, run it, hopefully no errors, and there we go. We have our multi-line message. Nothing more to it than that. Obviously, if you were to change the, let's say, the width of the item, the text might change accordingly as well in terms of the way it's displayed. That's it for a message. It's just a multi-line label. As usual, there will be a link with this video that provides all the different functionality that you can tap into for this particular widget item. Feel free to have a look at it. If you have any questions, reach out, I'll assist you, and I look forward to seeing you in the next awesome Python video.